In recent years, we have seen a profound change in the way the market understands the role of a company in society. Consumers demand more sustainable products and services, using their purchasing decisions to send a message to companies about their priorities. Workers consider in decision-making on professional options, the principles and fundamental values of the company, the impact produced on the environment and the community in which it is inserted, and the conduct of leaderships and headships. Governments are playing an active role in driving the market through the creation of incentives, penalties, and regulations. Access to funding and other financing instruments should be measured according to the environmental, social, and governance behavior of the applicant companies. Large companies are scrutinizing the non-financial performance of their supply chains to decide on their acquisitions to other companies, including the small and medium-sized companies that supply them. ESG. And what these acronyms mean. It corresponds to the domains evaluated in the non-financial performance of a company to determine its level of commitment to sustainability. This assessment is based on the implementation of instruments that measure the performance of the company in each of the ESG domains, and which is reported in its sustainability report. And what critical factors should the company consider in each domain? Environmental. It is about mitigating the negative impacts of the company's activity on the environment, such as control, reduce or eliminate greenhouse gas emissions. Improve your water and energy efficiency, reducing water and electricity consumption. Control, reduce or eliminate waste of natural resources, rationalizing their use and preserving biodiversity. Control and process the waste resulting from its activity, practicing recycling and reuse, reducing or eliminating the risk of causing environmental damage. Social. It is the socially responsible performance of the company, by promote the well-being of its workers, improving working conditions and relationships. Promote inclusion and diversity, eliminating discriminatory or prejudicial practices from their conduct. Support your community by engaging in local initiatives to support vulnerable people and groups. Reduce or eliminate socially negative impacts from their production chain, such as undignified work, disrespect for workers, and other supplier behaviors with negative social effects. Governance. It is about adopting leadership and management behaviors at all levels of the company, which preserve ethics and integrity in the company's performance. Demonstrate transparency and combat all forms of corruption. Facilitate gender equality, diversity, and inclusion, fostering respect for all. Stimulate the relationship and alignment with all stakeholders of the company. Sustainability cannot be a choice, but a duty of all. The future belongs not only to those who seek profit, but also to those who also care for the planet, promote social justice, and value good governance. Together, we will create a lasting legacy and a bright future for generations to come.